Yabona le game yezolo ade kudlala khona iMamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. Ibuyise ithemba. uJose Riveiro izolo ukwazile ukulibuyisa ithemba kwabalandeli beOrlando Pirates. Because most yabantu abaningi bese bethi ileague iphelile. Ileague iMamelodi Sundowns ithathile cause ukube iSundowns iwinile izolo ngabe ihambile namapoint yahamba neleague. But ke ukuwina kweOrlando Pirates izolo kuyibeke ethubeni lokuthi likwazi ukuhadulisana naye iSundowns lize lifike le ekugcineni emaphethelweni ayo iBetway Premiership. Yabo ngikhulumile ngayo igame ngayiposta le kaYouTube ufuna ukuyibuka kuyibuka but ngizokhuluma la ngobuhlakani obuze noJose Riveiro. Ubuhlakani azenabo kule game le. Yabo igameplay yakhe coming to this game igameplay yakhe I wouldn't say ubezopaka ibhasi. Yabo I wouldn't say ubezopaka ibhasi. Ibi simple ukuzovala labadlali laba abayingozi. Ukuvala nje abadlali abayingozi. Each and every team kuBetway Premiership ingayenza lento midlalo iMamelodi Sundowns. Ingayekeli iSundowns idominate. Ingayekeli iSundowns idlale ngayo. Yebo into engixaka ama-team njengoba ngama-team ayi-16 kuBetway Premiership kuyiSundowns iOrlando Pirates unumber 1 nonumber 2 lamanye ama-team awu-14 yini ayihlulayo ukwenza lento eyenziwe Orlando Pirates. Yini ayihlulayo ukwenza lento eyenziwe Orlando Pirates. Mizodlana iSundowns yes first leg of the season Orlando Pirates yashawa ngo-4-1. Yebo ishawa nje ngo-4-1 abadlali abaningi beOrlando Pirates kuleyo game yebo babengekho uTalente Mbatha njengoba nimbonile izolo wayengekho last time uMbokazi wayengekho last time but ke kule game ade beyidlala izolo bebeyi-factor cause indlela abadlali ngakhona bakhombisile ukuthi iyona into eyayishoda kuleya game bezibishaya ngo-4-1. Yabo izolo badlale kahle kakhulu abajida. Yini into ehlula ama-team amaningi la kuBetway Premiership? Ukuvala uRibeiro, ukuvala uIkram Reyners, ukuvala uPeter Shalulile. Those are the target men of iMamelodi Sundowns. If you shut down those guys, I know bana abanye abadlali abakora. You saw izolo ukukore uMudau. You saw izolo ukukore uMudau cause uMudau uyakwazi ungena eswing angene asuke le emuva ayokushaya igoli phambili. Creative Mudau uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola. Yabo iSundowns iyalika right now. iSundowns iyalika akekho umuntu ongayiboni leyo nto. Mina ade ngambona lo mdlali lo musha ekuthiwa uSuarez. Ade ngambona since efika ama-fans alithi mayidlalela cause uqhamuka on loan njobe idlala kwiSundowns ukwi-loan. I don't think iSundowns izoba permanent deal yakhe. Yabo I don't think izoba permanent njobe nje kwiSundowns on loan. Ngabona ama-fans alithi made idlalela ejabula impela ethi kuhambe umdlali oboza ngempela eklabini yabo. Yabo kuhamba umdlali oboza ngempela eklabini yabo bebemshitha nje ezumdlali yabo abajabulayo ukuthi uhambile cause bebabozela. Yabo and another player lapha kuSundowns oPrimo Dibo. So lela side leSundowns liyaleka ngempela liyaleka and ama-team amaningi awafuna ukukapitalize kuleyo nto mase beyodlala le eAfrica kuSundowns izoba nenkinga. iSundowns bese yodlala kwiChampions League pha kwiChampions League akudlala ama-team noma imaphi ama-team adlala lapha Ombet abangempela one of the best. ES Tunis iclub yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns last season kwiChampions League bazobhekana nayo and bazoyibona la ileka khona iSundowns. Bazoyibona ukuthi iyavuza la mase befuna ukukapitalize lapho bazoyibuka le game iOrlando Pirates indlela iOrlando Pirates approaching ngakhona igame. Indlela eapproaching ngakhona igame si-approaching ngobani emuva ngoMbokazi uSibisi benoThapelo Xoko. Mbokazi uyi-left center back mase kuthi uSibisi udlala e-center mase kuthi uThapelo Xoko uyi-right center back. Ubedlala ngama-center backs ayi-3. Lawo ma-center backs oyi-3 abenomsebenzi. uMbokazi beyomaka uRibeiro mase kuthi lo Ikram Reyners amake uThapelo Xoko mase kuthi uShalulile amake ubani amake uSibisi. Lo ma-center backs omathathu abeyomaka lawo bantu mase kuthi kuma-wingbacks uMarco not uMarco bese uVan Rooyen benoDion Hoto beba ama-wingbacks izolo bememaka bani uModiba benomDau ibona abadlali ade bebhizi ngabo because uVan Rooyen ubukumbona ubekabuya ashoshela usho uVan Rooyen ahamba ephambili edama numbers uMakgopa azama ukungena phakathi noma uMakgopa ayi-wide uVan Rooyen angene ngaphakathi yabo wafuna uku-edama numbers eboxini aphinda abuye futhi make-defend yabo mekiwa phambili bebenza njalo. Angazi ngempela uJose Riveiro uyicabange kanjani lento uyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi ucoach Orlando Pirates ekumele imgcine ngempela cause akekho omunye ucoach ongasenzela into kanje ade sagcina ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns since afika ngo-2022 bengakaza ayishaye iSundowns kwi-league. Imagine bengakaza ayishaye iMamelodi Sundowns kwi-league. The last time Orlando Pirates iwin against the Sundowns kwi-league It was back in 2020. It was back in 2020 and the goal was scored by Umhango. The goal was scored by Umhango. Peter Mosimane was still the coach of Mamelodi Sundowns. If you remember, the last time Orlando Pirates ishaya Mamelodi Sundowns, ucoach wayecoacha lapho Peter Mosimane, when we were still wearing leli jersey leli ngathi aboli black and white. Mina likhumbula lelo jersey lalilihle kakhulu. So mwase ukhipha icalculator ubale ngempela. Ukhipha icalculator ubale Orlando Pirates right now. Orlando Pirates ina 43 points. Orlando Pirates ina 43 points. Mase ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ibe na 58 points. Yabo, next game Mamelodi Sundowns izodlala against the Steelers. I haven't seen ukuthi Orlando Pirates izodlala nani next game, but I think iSuperSport, if I'm not mistaken. I think izodlala neSuperSport igame yethu elandelayo kwiBetway Premiership. But elandelayo kwiChampions League, like igame elandelayo sodlala neMC Alger. Sodlala neMC Alger ngomhla ka-1 April. Yabo, masokuthi Sundowns idlala nayo iES Tunis kwiChampions League. Mase sibuya kule FIFA break because menikhumbula kahle bafana yodlala neLesotho neBenin. Yabo, abajide basahambile. Ngisathanda kuthola futhi la umbiko kuthiwa uTito Maswanganyi akasekho ku squad sebafana ulimele umjida. Yabo, ulimele uTito Maswanganyi, so ngiyazi abe khona ku squad sebafana lese siyodlala le New Peter Mokaba Stadium mase siyahamba sidlala away neBenin. Yabo, I hope abajida bayawuthola u6 point kulowo magame. Bayawuthola u6 point kulowo magame sikwazi bafethu ukuthi nathi sike siyibone ibafana idlala kwiWorld Cup since 2020. Since 2010, I mean. The last time we saw Ibafana Bafana idlala, it was 2010. And futhi nakhona sasifakiwe because we were the host nations. Yabo, we were the host nations, so they put us to play yabo against big countries. Sayishaya ke France, Mexico sadrawa nayo. So uTito Maswanganyi bamreplaceile, ureplace uNdamulela Maphungulu. Ndamulelo Maphungulu, yabo, igama lakhe udlalela iPulwane City, igama lakhe libaleke, udlalela iPulwane City umjida bamreplaceile. I hope uTito Maswanganyi uzoshesha lulama bafethu. Yabo, I hope uzoshesha lulama kwezinye indaba futhi iCape Town City announce ucoach omusha namhlanje uzolekelela uRoger Disa beno uManyama. Mina ngikhumbula uManyama umdlali weKaizer Chiefs. No, Roger Disa was once head coach Orlando Pirates. Yabo, why coach Orlando Pirates? I used to like idlela yebhola idlala uRoger Disa. Ubuyile ke South Africa. Mina ngikhumbula kahle wayehambe noPito eyomlekelela le kwiAl Ahly. Yabo, becoach le kwiAl Ahly. But ke ula eSouth Africa right now uzocoacha iOrlando. Uzocoach iCape Town City. Yabo, ucoach iCape Town City. I hope izinto zamlungela lapha neCape Town City. Yabo, because uyolekelela lo coach ofikile wale eNetherlands if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, uyomlekelela. I hope abajide bayasuka ezantsi bangene kwi-top 8 because right now Cape Town City ayenzi kahle. Yabo, ayenzi kahle since bashaye Orlando Pirates izinto azibahambeli kahle. Yabo, awuvele uyishaye Orlando Pirates. Uma kwayishaye Orlando Pirates kuba khona ama consequences abakhona.